What are you doing there, friend? This video is brought to you by AFunWeb and Scraps. What are you doing? There's a dog there. You see him? He's just turned over. Hi, Scrappy. What are you doing, Scraps? I'm making a video for YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. Say he's made a lot of videos, but no one ever saw them. He's on the sofa, hanging out. It's a windy day. He's got a chill spot here, and he's kind of bent backwards. Hi, little friend. The little puppy's taking a nap. Anyways, we won't bother him anymore, and we wanted to say hello on this beautiful windy Saturday. And this video is brought to you by AFunWeb and Scraps. Thanks for watching.